I was ready to dislike both your dishes. But I think they're fantastic.
I really like your dishes a great deal. They are so unusual, but they are working.
Digital security manager David has made duck breast with beetroot 4 ways: a sweet beetroot puree, pickled beetroot, roasted beetroot, and beetroot powder, served with macerated blackberries, toasted walnuts, and a port and blackberry sauce.
Beautiful looking dish.
Thanks.
I have to say, for an amateur cook, this is extraordinary. Your duck is perfect. Those little columns of beetroot melt in your mouth. Your puree, it's like velvet, and that sauce has got a lovely, lovely sheen to it.
Thank you.
I'm very, very happy with that. Very nicely cooked, well flavoured, very good looking dish, David.
Thanks. I am really happy. I think it's more relief than anything else. The comments were really positive.
No idea if I'm going to stay or going to leave.
Former rugby player Christian has served pork tenderloin wrapped in Parma ham, braised pig cheek topped with roasted hazelnuts, pom puree, cabbage parcel stuffed with pancetta, carrot, celeriac and cream, glazed carrots, apple ketchup, and a cider gravy.
That is an accomplished, smart-looking dish.
I love your cheek. Your cheek is falling apart and soft. Your tenderloin wrapped in the ham is beautifully cooked. Crispy on the outside, cooked all the way through, and it's still really moist. Your sauce, which is slightly sharp with cider, and a little bit of salt in the background from the soy, is inspired. Great idea, really like that. You are allowed to be more generous with butter and salt. Take a couple more risks here, Christian, because you've got the great foundation.
Smooth mashed potato, perfectly diced vegetables inside that cabbage. Your cooking is solid and technically absolutely perfect. It's time to really start to ramp it up with flavour.
Okay. Did what I set out to do. I tasted everything as I went. I was fairly happy with the results, and hopefully that's enough.
Tech consultant Sandy has made a prawn and cinnamon stuffed aubergine tempura with a mint yogurt garnished with pomegranate and fried spinach, and a dashi braised turnip topped with roasted beetroot, dry tuna flakes, and seaweed.
I was ready to dislike both your dishes. But I think they're fantastic. You've successfully poached a turnip, which is peppery, with sweet beetroot, dashi and bonito. I think that's fantastically great. The tempura aubergine flavoured with cinnamon, it's extraordinary. The prawns inside are still crunchy. Your textures are great. This Japanese, Indian, Chinese fusion thing, I really, really like it.
I really like your dishes a great deal. They are so unusual, but they are working.
I'm really glad that I got the judges' approval. It actually works, so I'm really, really happy. Good job. I'm so glad they like it.